Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my favorite 4 hours time frame. So if I ask you what is the trend of the market, then you can see that still market is an uptrend. Yes, there was some volatility in the market after the news. There was some sell off in the market, but still we can see that overall the trend of the market is intact. Market is still in uptrend. Okay. And as I always say, we should always follow the trend. And following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should look for selling opportunities. Okay. So market is an uptrend, and as I always say, we should always look for the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot in a market. And in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support, or the best trading opportunity in an uptrend market is near the support, whereas in a downtrend market the best shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. And right now this is an uptrend market, so we should primarily look for support, is not it? So let's find out. Okay, as you can see, I have already drawn few lines here. Okay, and if you have watched my previous video, then you know it pretty well that this black line denotes the resistance in the market. Okay, this resistance is very much strong. Okay, because this resistance belongs to the uh, third week of Feb 2021. Okay, I have already discussed these levels in my previous videos, but still let me show you. See, this is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart of Euro USD. Okay, and you can see that third week of Feb market was trying to go up. Price could not sustain. There was some selling pressure. Price came down, but that price level became the resistance, and still it is not allowing the market to go up. And we can see that for the past 3-4 weeks, okay, for the past 3-4 weeks, Euro USD is trying to cross the level. Okay, if you look at a weekly chart from here, from this particular portion, you can see that market is an uptrend. But if I tell you to concentrate on this particular candles, okay, then you can easily see that for the past 3-4 weeks market is trying its best to cross the resistance, but market is unable to do so. Previous week you can see that market formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Spinning top kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indication bulls and bears were of the same strength. Before that also market formed a spinning top. Okay, before that also market failed. Okay, ultimately market is trying its best to cross the resistance, but market is unable to do so. So let's see whether market succeeds or not this week. So this is the overall picture of Euro USD. Hopefully you have understood. Okay, now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and right now you can see that after the market opening, okay, right now market has formed a doji kind of a pattern, and we all know that doji kind of a pattern generally suggests that bulls and bears are having a battle. Buyers and sellers are trying to take the price to their own direction, but no. Okay, they are of the equal strength, so they are struggling. Okay, and one thing I would like to show you, this is the currency meter. Okay, this is the currency meter for the daily chart. Okay, and you can see that almost all the currency, all the currency pairs, not pairs, all the currencies like GBP or CHF, CAD, all are very strong. But just look at the euro. Euro is flat. Euro does not have the strength. And if you look at a USD also, okay, USD is also not that strong in comparison to other currencies. As a result, okay, Euro USD is not having much direction or volatility right now. If one pair would have been strong enough, then we would have direction. But right now, Euro is also very flat. USD is also not having much strength. As a result, Euro USD is flat, and we can easily see on this particular chart because of not much strength. Euro and USD is just lingering at this particular price level. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, as you can see here, okay, I have got two red lines here, and if you can read these lines correctly, then you can see that this particular line, okay, this particular line is acting as a support to the market. Okay, whenever market was coming down, okay, somehow this line provided the required support to the market. When market formed this big fat red candle, it took support at this trend line. Again, when the NFP report came out, okay, it took support at this trend line. So there is a possibility that if market comes down from this particular price level, then market will provide, or this trend line will provide the required support to the market. So your first trading opportunity is if market comes down to this particular price level, okay, then just draw this trend line, okay, in the 4 hours time frame, draw a line like this, okay, and just wait for the market to come down to this price level. If market falls on this trend line, then just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that just like previous times, market is taking support, this trend line is providing the required support to the market, you can just click on the buy button. Okay, but remember, confirmation is always important, and confirmation will be in the form of a hammer or price rejection from bidder or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is following this red line or this trend line as support, then you can go for a buy order. And for me, this is the best area of value right now, because see, as always say, do not chase the market. And right now you can see that market is trading here, and I'll say that yes, it is Euro USD, the most popular currency pair. That does not mean that you'll have to trade Euro USD every time. Right now Euro USD is not having any movement, so you should not buy or sell here. Okay, because see, your risk to reward ratio will also not match. So wait for the currency pair to come down to your price level so that you get the best price. Okay. So for me, this is the best buying position for Euro USD if it takes support and bounces. Remember, if it takes support and bounces, then this is the best trading opportunity. On the other hand, okay, you may get an opportunity to short the market also. Okay, you may get an opportunity to short the market also. Because see, on the upside, this line is also acting as a resistance, and as we all know, 50 moving average was acting as a support to the market, and there is a possibility that okay, the support will become the resistance now. And in case market goes up from here, okay, in case market goes up from here, then there is a possibility that market may reverse from this particular price level if euro does not have the required strength. Therefore, if market goes up, then also you can short the market. But if you do not want to take risk and if you want to stay with the trend, then do not short the market. If you want to take some risk and you see that yes, the possibility is good, market will go down, then you can short the market. Okay, so this is your second trading possibility or opportunity. First is this, second is this, and third is, if I zoom out the chart, okay, if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that this looks like a flag pattern. Okay, this looks like a flag pattern. Generally I do not talk much about patterns and all, because to be honest, I am not a big fan of patterns, but flag patterns work. Okay, work sometimes. So we can see that right now it looks like a flag pattern. So if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this red line, okay, if market crosses this red line, then we'll get a confirmation that yes, it was a flag pattern, and right now bulls have taken the charge and market will go up now, and you can go for a buy order once market crosses this level, this red line, with good amount of volume. Remember, volume is very important. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.